Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about how to use BoomTown CRM for real estate. So first, what is BoomTown? BoomTown is a real estate CRM and lead generation platform designed to help agents and brokerage manage leads, automate follow-ups, and clear or close more deals. Now first is on setting up your account. Log in and complete your profile, settings, sync your email and calendar to streamline communication, and set up your team structure if you're a broker or a team leader. Now, on lead management. First on receiving leads. Leads can come from BoomTown's marketing tools, your website, or third-party sources like Zillow and Realtor.com. Leads are automatically imported into your CRM with contact info, behavior history, and source. Now, on organizing leads, use lead statuses like new, hot, nurture, watch, and closed. Segment by tags, source, or behavior to personalize follow-ups. And lastly, on smart drip campaigns, automate follow-up emails, texts using action plans. Tailor campaigns based on lead type, either buyer, seller, or renter. Next, on daily workflow with BoomTown. Use the Now wall to see what actions you need to take each day. Calls, emails, or tasks. Use the to-do list to manage your schedule and follow-ups efficiently. Track lead activity like website visits, property views, and saved listings. Use the website and IDX integration. BoomTown includes a branded IDX-enabled websites for capturing leads. Client can browse MLS and listings, save homes, and request tours. Activity syncs with the CRM. Now for communication tools. Call, text, or email leads directly from the platform. All conversations are tracked in the contact timeline. Use templates to save time with common messages. Now on reporting and analytics. Monitor your team's performance with agent accountability reports. Track marketing ROI, lead conversion, and pipeline stats. And lastly, view open rates, response times, and lead sources. Now on mobile app, BoomTown's app lets you respond to leads, makes call, and manage tasks on the go. You'll get push notifications when leads interact with your site or emails. Now some pro tips is, first, use behavioral insights to prioritize leads who are actively engaging. Next, regularly update lead statuses to keep your pipeline clean. And lastly, you need to integrate with tools like Zapier, Gmail, or calendar apps for better and easier workflow. And that's basically it.